Hello, welcome to LuidBiz CRM Sales Manager module. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up the Sales Manager module so that you as a sales manager and your sales executive can start using LuidBiz CRM Sales. First of all, this is the login screen. You need to log into the system using your email as the username and your password. So once you log into the system, this is the home screen where you have all the icons of the modules to which you have access. Now let me tell you first. Only one user in your company will have access to the admin and the ERP admin module. So that particular user has to do one setting for you before you can get started off with the Sales Manager module. So if you are not the the admin user, please ask the admin user to go to this ERP module out here and then click on item settings on the left hand navigation menu and then click on item units, and here he or she needs to go and click on add item unit and add the item unit that you require for managing your items or your services in your company. It can be kg, it can be centimeter, it can be pieces, units, classes, whatever units you use to quantify your services and products. They just need to add it out here, all of them that you use, and once they add it, they can view the list out here of whatever they have added. So that's the only job that the ERP admin has to do for you. So once that is done, you are now ready to get started off with your Sales Manager module. So now let's switch to the Sales Manager module. Here this is your dashboard, and you can see a lot of information appearing for you both in text and graphical format. You can go through them, click on them and view the details. There's a lot of data for you which gives you a bird's eye view of the activities, your sales activities, your team's activities, everything, and your calls, your progress, sales progress, everything out here. So there's a lot of stuff that you can do from the dashboard. Of course, anytime throughout the system you get stuck up, there's your audio guide and there's your video guide. So now let's dive in straight away. The first thing that you need to do when you are a sales manager is you need to click on sales pipeline out here and then click on prefixes, and here you need to set this two prefix, account code prefix and quotation code prefix. Now what are they? Account code prefix is the prefix of all the sales accounts, whether they're leads, prospects or customers. So you actually need to click on account code prefix out here and then set the account code prefix for your particular company. Now let's say this company doesn't have the account code prefix already set up for them. So you click on account code prefix and then click here, add the account code prefix, and then click on submit. So once you do so, you can click here and go back to the page from where you came, the account code prefix page, and you see that this account code prefix is being added. You can modify it if you want by clicking on edit prefix, or if you're fine with it, you can click on publish prefix. So once you publish this prefix, you and your sales executive users who will be adding sales accounts to this particular company, once they add the sales account, it will the system will automatically number it 1 2 3 4 etc., but in front of that 1 2 3 4 this particular string would be prefixed. Similarly for quotations, so just as you added a code prefix for your accounts, you can do so for your quotations by clicking on the link out here. This in a similar manner, you just need to add the quotation code prefix and publish it, and of course you can edit it at any point of time later on, so it's not fixed. You can edit your prefix anytime and all your audit trail will be, the changes that you made will be showing out here, so you will know when you added it first and when you edited it later on. So those are the two first settings that you need to do. The next setting that you need to do out here is to create your teams. To do so, click on teams and tasks on the left hand navigation menu, then click on sales teams. Here click on add new team, select the company with which the team would be attached, enter the name of the team and indicate if you would be the leader of the team or someone else would be, and that's it. Click on the submit item. So once you submit this form, the team you just added appears for you out here. You can click on the name of the team and view the details of the team, and to put more members in that team, just click on the select action drop down menu next to the name of the team out here and click on manage team. So once you click on manage team, you can select more users whom you can actually add to the team. So you can add as many users as you want to your team. So if you want to modify the team information, just click on edit team, and if you want to change the leader of that team, just click on change leader. So this way you can manage your teams. The next thing that you need to do out here is add your items. So to add an item, click on items, then item data, then click on view items. Now click on this purple button out here called add item, and there you have this form where you can add your items. So you can add the name of your item, the code, the item unit. Now all the item units were already added by the ERP admin user for you, so those units appear for you in a drop down menu out here. Just select whichever is applicable for this new item and then select the item type. Now if you're selling products, select inventory item, and if you're selling services, select service item. And of course the rest of the fields in the item are optional. You can fill them up or not depending on your requirement. Please remember, this item can also be added from the ERP admin module. So either you add them from your interface, that's the sales manager or the sales executive interface, even they are able to add the items, or the ERP admin user already adds the items for you and they appear for you in a drop down menu. The last configuration that you need to do is the sales channel. Now this sales channel is required for sales forecasts. So if you are using the system for making sales forecasts, then you need to add the sales channel. Otherwise there is no need for adding this sales channel. To add a sales channel, click on add sales channel, select the name of the company with which the sales channel would be associated, enter the name of the channel, and that's it. So that channel will appear in your list out here, and then while making your sales forecasts, you can start using that channel and forecast the sales for that particular channel for a particular year or month or however you want it to be. So that's it, how you can get started with the sales manager module. Those are the only settings you need to do. So again, to reiterate, the first thing, the admin user needs to set the item unit in the ERP module. Second thing, you need to go to the sales pipeline and add these two prefixes, the account code prefix and the quotation code prefix. The third thing that you need to do is go to items and then item data, view items, add your items. And then the next thing that you need to do, if you're using sales forecasts, is go to sales channels and add your sales channel. So that's how easy it is to get started off as a sales manager, and how you can help your sales executives to get started with FluidBiz CRM sales. And if at any point of time you get stuck up while using the system, you can directly contact our support team by clicking on this question mark icon out here, then come down to the last link called FluidBiz contact FluidBiz help. Click on it and you'll be led to this screen where you can add your ticket. This screen is also available from the home screen where you have this icon called FluidBiz help. At any point of time while using the system, if you have any problems, we encourage you to actually click on FluidBiz help and add a ticket and contact us directly. We will get back to you ASAP. Thank you for watching.